how to play chess on Duolingo. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Duolingo app and then make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, to play chess on Duolingo, what we are going to do right here is to just click on the upper left corner of the screen. So you should be able to see it right there. So in this part, you should be able to see the new courses. So under that, we can see the chess course, which is right here. Now to play it, all you have to do is to just click on that. And then once you click that, you will be redirected into this part. So you will be asked certain questions. So all you have to do is to answer it. And then after that, just click on continue and then answer the rest. And then after that, just click on continue again. And then all you have to do is to solve this puzzle. And then once you finish this, you should now be able to play chess on Duolingo. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to play chess on Duolingo.